janitor, named Jack, worked in a large office building. Every evening, he would leave the office and begin cleaning the premises. However, over time, he began to notice strange things. He saw shadows, heard noises and knocks, but he didn't pay attention, thinking it was just his imagination. One night, when he was alone in the office, he heard a noise above his head. He felt uneasy, but continued his work. Suddenly, he felt something land on his shoulder. He turned around and saw a strange figure slowly rising into the air. Jack began to scream and tried to run away, but it was too late. The figure engulfed him, and he found himself in a parallel world. Everything was the opposite here. The sky was black, and the ground was white. Jack realized that he was no longer in his world, and that only terrible creatures existed here, which thirsted for blood and suffering. He realized that his life would never be the same again, and that his cleaning had come at a high price to end up here. Jack no longer worked in the office building, and no one knew what happened to him. His body was never found, and his disappearance remained a mystery. However, every time someone entered the office, strange sounds and rustling could be heard, and someone seemed to be chasing them, but they couldn't be seen.